Hey guys, welcome to Rooftop Gardening with me, and in today's video we are going to learn how to make neem oil pesticide for plants. So over here I'm using a 500 ml spray bottle and some neem oil. Now one thing you need to remember while buying neem oil is that it should have the content as a detergent, which is the key ingredient that deters the pests. Now I have bought this neem oil from Amazon for about 600 to 700 rupees. And if you want to buy it, link will be in the description box below. I'll also post the link of some smaller quantities of neem oil in the description box below. So over here I'm using half a teaspoon of neem oil, that is 2.5 ml of neem oil for half a liter of water. So as you know, oil doesn't mix with water, so for that I'm adding some hand washing liquid soap which doesn't contain any acid to the pesticide. I'm using the same amount of liquid soap as the neem oil. Now this is the most crucial step that many of the YouTubers don't tell you, is that to add drinking water instead of tap water. This is because the tap water contains some salt which decreases the efficiency of the pesticide. So over here we are using tap water. Now let's mix it thoroughly. Now your pesticide is ready to be sprayed on the plants. Now one more thing to be noted while spraying on plants is to spray the underside of the leaves, because it is the place where most of the pests hide. And remember to spray the pesticide after 4 in the evening or before 10 in the morning, because the plants may burn because of the sunlight in the afternoon times. Also, do not spray on the plants when it is going to rain, because the pesticide may drain off because of the rain. If you have a bigger garden, you can use the electric sprayers, or you can also use the pressure sprayers for spraying your plants. I'll post a link of that also in the description box below. All the products used in this video will be in the description box below and you can buy it from there. So thank you guys, hope you like my video, and if you do like it, please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, you can comment it down in the comment section below. Thank you.